So I'm sure you guys are familiar with this guy, Michael Burry, one of the guys that predicted the 2008 stock market crash. And it seems like ever since 2008, he's been predicting the next crash, which who knows when the heck that crash is going to come. I guess we had a couple crashes since 2008, not quite nearly as bad as 2008, but I want to break down Michael Burry's most recent stock market moves. We'll break down his current portfolio, what stocks he bought in the last quarter via his 13F filing, what stocks he sold, what he owns, what he reduced, what stocks he added to, everything. And I know we're a little late on this. The 13Fs came out like 2 weeks ago, but like they say, better late than ever. Let's break down Burry. Let's talk about what he's doing right now. And let me preface this with Michael Burry is not really a long-term investor. He's more of a trader. He's more of in and out kind of guy. You know what I mean? You have Warren Buffett on one side, where Buffett buys and holds forever, essentially. Obviously, he sells out of stocks, buys, but mostly he's holding for the long term. You have Buffett on one side, and then you have Burry on the complete other side of the spectrum, where this guy could buy a stock and then he's out 30 days later. You know what I mean? So let's dive into the actual 13F. Well, I guess not the actual 13F, but on Well Wisdom here, they lay it out nicely so we can see, again, his top holdings, what he did last quarter, and so forth. And this is all under his hedge fund, which is called Scion Asset Management LLC, which if I zoom in a little bit here, actually, there's no need to zoom in. You guys can't see it anyway. But the assets under management, there's, let's see, about a little under $200 million of assets under management right now, according to their last reported 13F filing. So I'm pretty sure if you have over $100 million in assets, you have to file a 13F every quarter. I'm pretty sure it's $100 million. Yeah, it's not 10. No, it's definitely $100 million. But yeah, let's see what the heck this guy is up to, right? What is this guy doing under Scion Asset Management? So it's interesting what he's doing. I'll start with that. It's very interesting what this guy is doing because we can see all his positions right here, and you're like, wait a second, am I reading this right? Yeah, you're reading this right, guys. You see what all these positions are? These are all put options. You heard that right. Put options. We have NVIDIA put options. That's the number one position. 48% of the portfolio is in NVIDIA put options. Number two, we have Alibaba put options, right? PDD put options. Pinot Duodo, however the heck you say that company. JD.com put options, right? TCOM put options, which are, what's that company again? Trip.com, that's right. And then Baidu put options, guys. So, and let me say, he does own straight up shares of Estee Lauder. He owns 200,000 shares, $13 million of Estee Lauder, but that's it. He has 7 holdings. He has 7 holdings right now, and they're all put options except for one, where he owns Estee Lauder, and they're all put options except for 2 on Chinese stocks, right? We have Baba, PDD, JD, and Baidu. Those are 4 Chinese stocks he has puts on right now, and he has puts on NVIDIA and Trip.com. So that's it. That's his position, or his portfolio, literally, as of right now, which another thing worth mentioning is, like I said, Burry is a trader, right? He gets in, he gets out, and the 13F filings require you to file or to tell the public, essentially, the moves you made in the last 90 days in that quarter, but we don't know if he's still in these positions. That's the thing. The 13F, we'll find out next 13F what he did with these positions, but for all we know, yeah, I mean, they're in this 13F, the one we just got, these put options, but for all we know, he's already out of these. For all we know, he bought these NVIDIA puts, before the crash in April. And if he did that, I bet you he's out of these already. That's the thing. I bet you he's out of these already. I really hope so because Nvidia is up so much off the lows. So my prediction is here, I think next 13F, Burry's portfolio is going to be completely different again. I think he's out of all these positions most likely. Maybe not some of the Chinese names, maybe not Estee Lauder because those are straight up shares, but I bet my life savings, well, I don't want to do that, but I would bet that he's out of the Nvidia puts. He has to be. And maybe he made a lot of money on those being 50% of his portfolio, but let me show you what he actually closed out because he sold a bunch of positions last quarter, and it's insane because a lot of the shares or the stocks that he's buying puts on, at least as of last quarter, the 13F we just got, a lot of those stocks he's buying puts on, he owned straight up with shares before. He was long, you know what I mean? He has puts on Baba now, but he was long Alibaba. He sold out of every stock essentially except for Estee Lauder, right? He had Alibaba, he had ACIC, he had BRKR, he had Goose, right? HCA, JD, all these different stocks, but he sold out of them, right? Closed out of them in the last quarter. He didn't, I guess he added to Estee Lauder, so that's one thing worth mentioning. He owned Estee Lauder, or no, he didn't own it at all, but he added Estee Lauder last quarter, which again is the only stock he owns straight up. So I guess there's something there that Burry's seeing. I don't know. I'm not too well versed with Estee Lauder, guys. Sorry about that. But that's pretty much it, man. It's wild. It's wild. These are his 7 new positions, and that's all he's in right now. It's all he's in right now. And the way he invests or trades his money is pretty nuts. The portfolio turnover with Burry is wild. I mean, I've been tracking this guy for years at this point. I track every 13F filing from Michael Burry, from Warren Buffett, from Ray Dalio, from Bill Ackman, all these big-time investors and traders. I like tracking what they're doing. And I've noticed every time with Burry, and there's a lot of portfolio turnover with some of the other guys, not so much with Buffett. But Ray Dalio's buying new stocks, selling stocks all the time. Same with Ackman. But Burry's really doing that, man. He's really flipping his entire portfolio. Pretty much every 13F filing, we see it's different stocks each time. Different stocks each time. Different positions each time. And I want to know what his return is. Honestly, I want to know if he's doing well. I actually have no idea. I have to look into that. But man, Burry, yeah, he got famous about 20 years ago almost now for predicting the GCF, the GFC, the Great Financial Crisis. He made a lot of money, The Big Short. Go watch that movie. I'm sure you guys have seen that movie. So just pretty much based on that, the fact that he made so much money, the movie that came out about it, that gives him a lot of, I guess credibility, or, a lot of people watch and see what he's doing to maybe predict the next stock market crash. But the reality is, man, I don't know if Burry's going to predict it, if anybody's going to predict it. I'm sure somebody will predict it, but it's very hard to predict stock market crashes. You just don't know. I mean, you could be like, all right, we have all these things going on wrong with the economy, or there's catalysts that could cause a stock market crash, but you don't know when it's going to come, if it will come. You can't time these things, but Burry nailed it, got lucky in 08, if you want to call it luck or whatever. But Burry nailed it, and now everybody watches his trades. And, man, this guy's making some wild moves right now. I'm curious, what do you guys think? I mean, are you tailing these moves? It'd be stupid to actually follow these super investors based on their 13Fs because, again, they're not real-time buys. For all we know, Burry could be out of these positions already. But are you buying Estee Lauder maybe because Burry bought it? I don't know. I'm not. What are you guys doing, though? What do you think about this? Let me know in the comments. Hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Join my free email stock newsletter if you want me to send you my top stocks weekly. And check out the Patreon down below for my portfolio updates. You guys get to see how I invest, not millions of dollars like Burry, but I'm investing thousands of dollars a month. So if you guys want to keep up with stocks I'm buying, moves I'm making, how I'm beating the market, I'm beating the market right now, guys, how I'm beating the market, all of that is on Patreon down below. And with that being said, cheers. I'll catch you in the next video.